Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Perfection Achieved. So last week, nagluto tayo ng chili con carne. We made dinner basically. Today, we're going to have breakfast. Yes, you heard me right. We're going to have breakfast. A lot of us, even if we're Pinoys and we're used to, sinangag, fried rice for breakfast, from time to time, we enjoy having pancakes. And a lot of my friends, I understand, they use the boxed pancakes or yung mix, no? Yung pancake mix. While that is very convenient, there's nothing that can come close to homemade fluffy pancakes. And today, I'm going to teach you how to make the fluffiest pancakes ever. And we're also going to do a side accompaniment for the pancakes. We're doing a peach compote. Kasi in my household, when my partner and I have our pancake breakfast, we have to have our fruit compote. So sometimes we use mango, sometimes we use peaches, whatever fruits are in season. So today we're doing canned peaches. It's the most convenient because you can always stock up on canned peaches sa pantry ninyo. But don't limit yourself to that. So we're going to serve it with peach compote and of course crispy bacon. Because for us, pancake is not pancake kung walang crispy bacon. Diba? And the more bacon, the better. You can never have too much bacon in your life, even if your cardiologist says it's no good for you. Don't believe your cardiologists. Believe me, it's really good. So today, I'm going to teach you first how to make our peach compote. But first, the recipe for today's class is in the description box below. So just go there, down below, and you will see it there, okay? So copy and paste it to your computer so that you can save it for future use and you can come back to our video for the step-by-step procedure every time you want to make our pancakes. Alright, and please, if you're a new viewer, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so that every time we have a video upload, you can be notified, okay? And if you're an old viewer, if you're a follower of ours, please do not forget to hit the like and share buttons and also the notification bell. Alright, so let's do our peach compote. So I have here my pan and I'm going to put this over low heat. Low muna. Alright, and then I have 5 ingredients in front of me. I have 1 can of peaches. The can is 822 grams. Okay, so drain it. The juice, you can put it in a glass, put ice cubes, and drink it. That's what I do. Okay. The drained peaches, you cut it into thin slices. And we're going to combine this. Put that in our pan. And then we're going to combine that with some brown sugar. I prefer light brown sugar. But if you don't have light brown sugar, you can also use dark brown sugar like what I have here. So dark brown sugar, konti lang, para lang may konting sweetness, okay? A touch of ground cinnamon, a little bit of rum and cornstarch. So what I'll do, the rum and cornstarch, I'll combine it first para we can dissolve that. At hindi maglump yung ating cornstarch, okay? And then once the cornstarch is dissolved, we're going to add this to our peaches and sugar and cinnamon. Ayan. Okay, so I'm going to add this now to our pan. Okay, and then let's stir this very well until it's slightly thickened. Okay, so after 1 minute of cooking this, we'll shut this off, set it aside while we do our pancakes. Okay, I'll turn it off. And that's cooked. That's our peach compote. Okay, so we'll set this aside and we'll do our pancakes. Okay, so let's make our pancakes. The fluffiest pancakes ever. You'll need 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients and another for the liquid ingredients. So in our dry ingredient bowl, we are going to combine some all-purpose flour. And then we have some castor sugar, baking powder, and salt. So we're going to whisk this together. All right, in our liquid ingredients bowl, we're going to combine some liquid whole milk, okay, this is still milk. So this is liquid whole milk, and then we have some whole eggs, and some melted unsalted butter. You can use salted butter or you can even use vegetable oil. Now, vegetable oil will yield a fluffier pancake, but of course, you won't get the taste of the butter. And syempre, masarap yung butter, di ba? Nothing compares to the flavor of real butter. So, we're going to whisk this together just until blended. Okay, and then we're going to combine the liquid and the dry ingredients. So I'm going to transfer the dry ingredients into the liquid ingredients bowl. Now, the secret to fluffy pancakes that are not tough is not to overmix the pancake batter. So you mix it just until the dry ingredients are incorporated. Okay. If there are a few lumps left, that's fine. You won't even notice it in the finished product. So just until the dry ingredients are combined, and there you go. So I don't see any dry ingredients anymore. I can still see a few lumps, but that's fine. Do not overmix, okay? Once the dry ingredients are gone, stop mixing. Okay. Now I'm going to heat up you can use a non-stick skillet to cook your pancakes, but I prefer my griddle because here I can cook 6 pancakes at a time. So when you're serving a big bunch of people, when you're serving a crowd, it's nice to have a griddle because you can serve them all at once at the same time. Okay, so I've heated my griddle. It's now set at 180 degrees Celsius. So each griddle will, be a little bit different from the other. Get to know your griddle. Practice with it before you start cooking our pancakes so that way you'll know how to, operate it and get nice, evenly browned pancakes. So we're using a 1/3 cup measuring cup to measure our pancakes into our griddle. So you will have to wait until the top of your pancakes are filled with small bubbles before you flip it. When it's filled with bubbles and you see that the top surface is starting to dry out, that's your clue to when to flip the pancakes. So as you can see here, it's starting to have bubbles here also. Malapit nang mapuno ng bubbles yung top ng pancakes, and then it's starting to dry out. So that's my clue. At this point, I can flip the pancakes and you can expect to see nicely golden brown pancakes. I don't want my pancakes to be too dark. Once the pancakes are done, we can put them on our plate. And then we cook another batch. So we'll keep on cooking, and when we come back, I'll show you how to decorate and serve these pancakes, okay? So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Meanwhile, here's an upcoming class at the Bailiwick Academy. Please watch our teaser trailer.
Konnichiwa, everyone! Join me as I present to you 3 wonderful variations on this classic and iconic recipe: lemon, espresso, and chocolate. And we will also teach you how to make 3 wonderful sauces to accompany your cheesecakes, and even give you plating ideas to properly present your cheesecakes to your family, friends, and customers. So don't miss out on this class, only here at the Bailiwick Academy.
Okay, so we are back. Welcome back. If you enjoyed the teaser trailer for our online class, please click the link below and it will take you to my page at the Bailiwick Academy, where you can find more than 30 online classes ranging from cookies, pies, cakes, and savory recipes. It's like a Disneyland for those who love to cook and bake. So the link is below in the description box. No? All right, so here is our finished product, our fluffy pancakes. For those of you who are wondering, you can actually pre-mix the dry ingredients of the pancakes like the night before, so that the next day in the morning, when you're about to have breakfast, all you have to do is to add the liquid ingredients to the dry ingredients, and presto, you have instant pancakes. Okay, so here are my pancakes. So in my household, you're either a 3-stack or a 5-stack pancake eater. I'm a 5-stack pancake eater, so I have 5 pancakes to my plate. My partner is a 3-stack eater, so he has 3 pancakes to a plate. Now I have here I'm serving my pancakes with some crispy fried bacon, which is very good with pancakes. Again, cardiologists may not agree, but let's agree to disagree. And then I have some of the peach compote, which we cooked earlier. Trust me, these 3 combined, fantastic. It's out of this world. It will make your eyes go to the back of your head. Try it. Now, I love to serve my pancakes with some maple syrup. And since I was like 2 years old, as far back as I can remember, I've always, my mom always served pancakes with Aunt Jemima. I got this from SNR. Aunt Jemima original pancake maple syrup, Okay, so you can use any maple syrup or any syrup that your heart desires. So I love to serve this with literally swimming in maple syrup. So here we go. So yeah. And then, who says sugar is bad? Sugar is good. Okay, and then I'm going to serve it with butter. You can use just plain old butter, salted or unsalted, but I like to use whipped butter. The recipe is in the description box below. So for whipped butter, all you need is, 2 ingredients. You need unsalted butter or salted butter, whichever you prefer, and confectioner sugar. Combine those 2 ingredients in your mixer bowl, or even in just an ordinary bowl, and you can use a hand mixer or a stand mixer and just whip it for about 10 minutes until the ingredients become light and fluffy, and what you end up with is this is whipped butter. Okay, so again, butter and confectioner sugar whipped until light and fluffy, about 10 minutes, and then You scoop it this way and then you put it on top of your pancakes. Okay? I'm just putting one for now. When the camera stops rolling, later, I'm going to put more. So this is how I serve my pancakes at home. And it's really super delicious, and I'm going to prove it to you. There's only one way to prove how delicious this is, and that's to sample it. Okay? So let me spread my... Oh, by the way, one recipe can serve 6 people. Okay? So that's a lot of pancakes. Let me spread my butter on top of my pancakes. And then, watch this. Okay, I'm going to be a little bit demure. So I have pancake, and then of course it has to come with a piece of bacon. And then a piece of peach compote. I'm speechless. It's really, really, really good. Don't take my word for it. Try the recipe, serve it to your family, and watch them just, melt in their seats and give you that warm smile. It's pancakes for royalty. So good. So good with hot chocolate, with coffee, or with tea, or with any beverage that your heart desires. This is just awesome. Wow. So, I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now, because there will be more to die for recipes coming in the next few weeks as we explore more and more recipes for you guys. Okay, I'm Chef Joey Prats, wishing you the best. Please stay safe. The pandemic's not yet over. More variants are coming in. It seems that this virus is just unbeatable, but we will beat them. We'll beat the virus, and it takes a lot of cooperation from us. Be extra careful. I've had COVID, my partner had COVID, and we've been extra careful. So just stay at home as much as possible. If you're going to go out, mask up, put your face shields, and try to avoid areas where people converge. All right, so stay safe. God bless you all, and I'll see you next episode.